What's going on, guys? It is your boy Mr. Nolan here. On this video we're going to find the area of the shaded region on composite figures, and this is practice. Now this is going to be a lot harder than just finding the normal area of the composite figures. Alright, on this first example, if you notice I have a rectangle here. On the outside it's a rectangle, and then I have a triangle on the inside. Well, I want you to think about this. Here's my triangle. It tells me the entire base here is 18, but I split it in half. So if the entire thing is 18 and I split it in half, what is this small piece right there?
9.
So this one is 9 feet, and this piece is also 9 feet, which means this piece right here is 9 feet. And this piece right there is 9 feet. Alright, so the first thing I need to do is I need to find the area of my rectangle. We said it is 18 by 14. Then I have my two triangles. We said the height is 14. The base is 9. Well, guess what, guys? I got two of those triangles. Okay. Now, we have some really good news, or we got some bad news.
I want the good news.
The good news is I really don't need the square right now because it says find the area of the shaded region, right?
Yeah.
Well, don't I just have two triangles right here?
Mm-hmm.
Find the area of one triangle and multiply it by 2 and you found the entire area. So we just really got to find the area of the triangle. So the triangle formula is base times height divided by 2. So we got 14 times 9. Anyone? 14 times 9? Alright, pen and paper.
128 or 1.
Yeah, you're wrong already. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 3 is 12. It's 126.
I was close.
That doesn't count. But we need to take that 126 and we need to divide it by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the area of one of these triangles is 63.
And now you times it by 2. Or add it. Either or.
You can either take 63 and multiply it by 2 or just add them together. So 63 plus 63 is 126 feet squared. And that is the shaded area. Now, do I need to write shaded area at the end? No. I'm just showing you there that we found the total area of the shaded region. Now, some of you are like, wow, Mr. Nolan, I don't get this. It's too hard. This is going to be a challenge. I know. Let's see how you do on the next one.
Makes you think about baseball.
Okay, so back to the video now. I want y'all to stop the video if you can and try and solve for the shaded region on this one. I'm going to continue solving it. Alright, so find the area of the shaded region. Well, looks like the shaded region is just 4 triangles, isn't it? And guess what? Each triangle is the same.
So would that make them equilaterals?
They are not equilaterals. But if you find the area of one triangle, you just multiply it by 4 and you got the entire area. Well, good news is here's our triangle. We have 9 meters, 9 meters, and 12 meters. We're trying to throw you off here. Where's my base and my height at?
The 9 and the 9?
Ah, here's your height. Here's your base. This 12 is there to throw you off. So to find the area of the triangle, it is base times height divided by 2. So 9 times 9 divided by 2. Anyone, 9 times 9?
81.
And what's 81 divided by 2? I'll give you a clue. It's 40 and a half.
20.
It's 40.5. That's the area for one triangle, but how many triangles do I have?
4.
So the area of one triangle times 4, the number of triangles. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. 4 times 4 is 16. Move the decimal back one time. Your total area of the shaded region should be 162 meters squared. And again, that's the shaded area. All right, guys, we got one more. Good news is we got to find the area of the shaded region. Some of you are like, it's not shaded. Well, now it is. Oh my God, I'm staying in the lines.
No, you weren't.
Be quiet.
Look at that corner piece.
She's fired. Well, I need someone to keep holding the iPad.
Yeah, get Emery to hold the iPad. That go well.
You're ruining the video. Oh, guess what? What else is shaded? Oh, this piece. This looks so awesome.
Just like a 5-year-old would.
Let me go back and get my report cards where I said I made all A's in art class all the time. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, there's your shaded region. I want you to go ahead and stop the video if you can. I want to see if you can solve this one. This was probably the most challenging of them all. Alright, stop the video. Once you finish solving it, then you are good. I'm going to continue. Thank you. Here we go. So I have two shapes. I have a square and a triangle. So here's my square. It is 18 feet by 18 feet. Then I have my triangle. Its height is 18 feet. But my base is 8 feet. So for the square, length times width. So 18 times 18. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 6 is 14. Second row add a 0. 1 times 8. 1 times 1, add straight down. You get 324 feet squared. The triangle, base times height divided by 2. So 18 times 8 divided by 2. So let's do this. 18 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 6 is 14. But I have to take the 144 and divide it by 2. Well, half of 14 is 7. Half of 4 is 2. Now I want y'all to think about this, because it says find the area of the shaded region, right? Well, guess what, guys? The square is shaded, which is 324 square feet. But we have to cut out what piece is not shaded?
Triangle.
The triangle, so we're going to subtract it. Your area of the shaded region is 252 feet squared. All right, guys, again, once you got these, if you got them all good to go, then you may move on to the homework and or quiz. But if you missed any of them, I would go back and retry them on your own first. See what you can do. These are some challenging questions for you. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Bye.